Choosing a venue is one of the biggest decisions in wedding planning, and it is also the most expensive one. And that's why, before choosing a venue, we should make sure that all our expectations are met. Nakshatra Wedding presents 10 things you should consider while choosing a venue. Location. Location is very important when it comes to choosing a venue. It is necessary to consider the locality of the venue. It is better to choose a venue that is near to public transport and local stores, so it's easy for your guests to travel to your venue. Also try getting a venue that has some good hotels nearby for your guests to stay. Capacity. Second important factor while choosing a venue is the capacity of the venue, and that depends on how big the wedding is going to be. Have a rough estimate of guests in mind and choose the venue accordingly. It also depends on what kind of capacity requirements do you have. If you want to call guests just for a couple of hours for the wedding, then go for big lawn wedding. And if it's a destination wedding, then go for venues with more room. Style and space. Every wedding is unique in itself, as it is a collaboration of you and your partner's taste, and the venue should also match the thought behind it. Look for earlier wedding albums of the venue and understand the theme and style the venue can offer, and if it will match your taste or not. Lighting. Natural light is the best source of light a venue can provide. Look for what lighting does the venue have, and even if there is less natural light, if the venue providing artificial lighting, especially for photography, if the venue does not have ample lighting, then you can either ask the venue coordinator or some third party to provide artificial lighting. Multiple space. In Indian weddings, there are thousands of functions and rituals even before the wedding ritual begins. While finding a wedding venue, take care that there are some additional smaller venues as well for other functions and rituals like engagement and reception. And like this, you can book the venue for all the rituals and get good discounts. Vendor restrictions. All venues have some internal restrictions for vendors. Some allow only internal vendors, while some have a set of vendors we can choose from, and some other restrictions as well. Understand all terms and conditions before signing the contract for any wedding venue. Inbuilt catering. Most of wedding venues have an internal catering system where they provide food for the wedding, and we don't have to hire an external caterer. Look for venues that provide this service, as it will save you a lot of time and money that you will be spending on external catering services. Number of weddings happening on the wedding day. Another necessary thing to consider while choosing a venue is the number of weddings happening on that particular date. A venue can have more than one halls for weddings and can conduct more than one wedding on a particular date. But it's important that you should not face any problems due to this. Ask the venue if they have proper arrangements to handle more than one wedding and if it has happened before. Decorated versus empty venue. This is something you should definitely do before selecting a wedding venue. Visit the venue when any wedding is happening at the venue and then visit the venue when it is empty. You will understand how the venue can be decorated, how the services of the venue staff are, and much more. Transportation services. Last but not the least, look for venues that have transportation facilities. It will be very convenient for your guests and staff if the hotel provides transportation for pickup and dropping off your guests, or if you urgently need something, and sometimes even for staff moment. I hope you have enjoyed the video and also learned a lot about finding a wedding venue. You can learn much more about wedding planning by visiting our blog site Get Set Wed Community. We keep posting new content every day on wedding planning. Let us know in the comment section below if you have any more tips on finding a venue. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such interesting content. Thank you. Bye bye.